Hi, a very hi to you Kenyans. It's my fervent hope that we are all trying to be safe, at least to find something to put on table and eat with our families. Things are very bad, I know. We have lost our jobs, have run out of money. Even that sanitizer is a problem to purchase. We should, however, have faith and comfort that while we may have more still to endure, better days will indeed return. Okay? Yeah, that's my prayer. I do pray not only for myself but for the majority of us that we are in all this together and we shall come out of it together. Okay? Unfortunately is that we are in a country that leaders have lost that sense of humanity. Yeah, leaders in this country have lost that sense of humanity. Yesterday, what came out from this country was something very much inhumane. Corruption everywhere, even in light of a pandemic like COVID-19, which has killed thousands of people across the globe. So this government is telling us that they have used 40 billion in the last 40 days. Do you know what 1 billion is? 1 billion Kenya shillings. Just 1 billion. Today, if I give you 1 billion as an individual, that amount can last you for the next 63 years here in Kenya without doing anything but spending at least 23,000 Kenya shillings per day. That is what 1 billion can do for you if I give it to you today for the next 63 years. So when a government says that they've been using 1 billion per day, and you are like, what is happening in this country? Where have you seen that money going to? When Kenyans are being forced in mandatory quarantine facilities and are paying with their own money 53,000 shillings for 2 weeks quarantine. When Jack Ma, the richest man in Asia, has sent us masks, freely donated. When we are having corporate bodies and well-wishers sending money to this country, but we are not seeing the effects of this money in this country. Still, the nurses are complaining. Sorry, they haven't been paid money in other countries, as we know, very much knowing that. This country, in short, are we having a country? Are we having a leadership? Or are we just living in some jungle but being covered or being soothed that we do have a country? Let us think the way forward and come back. Fine.